Hey guys, this is part 3 to my proportion questions using recipes, ingredients. So this one in part 3 has a little bit more to it, a little bit more converting, but generally it is as hard as it's going to get really. So let's go to it. You know, by watching part 1 and part 2 that I'm going to ask you to find out, firstly, work out how many soups serves one person, and then we can work out how many soups go to 4 and to 7 people. So the first step is always to work out how much it is for one person. So we have 30 grams of butter. Now remember what we do, we divide at this point. So I'm just going to put a little divide sign. So we've got 30 butter and it serves 6 people. So I'm going to divide it by 6 people. So I'm going to do 30 divided by 6. So we need 5 grams of butter for every person. Onion, 1 chopped onion, still the same. Don't get stressed out. You're just dividing it by 6. Use your calculator. It's a 1/6. So it's 1/6 parts of chopped onion. Plain flour, 2 tablespoons. 2 divided by 6 equals 1/3 of flour. Tomato juice is 1.2 litres. Now what I would suggest you do here, just to tidy it up, is to divide it by 1,000. So it turns into millilitres, so it's just a little bit easier to work with. So you've got 200 millilitres. So yeah, that's how we convert from litres to millimetres, sorry. And then milk is 480 millimetres. So we're going to do 480 divided by 6 equals 80 millilitres. What I forgot to do there was to divide it by 6. So I converted it, but I didn't divide it by 6. So it's 200 millimetres. So all of that there is for one person. So now we've got the basics. We all know what we need to do. We're going to be timesing it. So we've divided it. We're going to times it. So for 4 people, all we're going to do is our 5 grams. And we're going to times it by 4 because it's asking for 4 people. So for butter, the first one is 20 grams. The next one is 1/6 of onion times 4 equals 2/3 of onion. Flour is 1/3 times 4, which equals 1 1/3 of a tablespoon. So it's mixed number, improper. Well, not improper, but it's a mixed number. Tomato juice. So we've got 200 times 4 equals 800 millilitres. And then finally milk is 80 times 4, which gives us 320 millilitres of milk. So always work out what one person is first, and then anything else you can just do, you know, it's just timesing it out. So we've got serve 7 people now, okay? So we're going to go 5 grams times 7 equals 35. We've got onion, which is 1/6 times 7 is 1 and 1/6 of onion. Flour is 1/3 times 7 equals 2 lots and 1/3. Mixed numbers. Tomato juice, we have 200 times 7, which gives us 1.4 litres. So we can convert that back nice and easy, actually. It's a lot more tidier. And then milk, 480. So we've got 80 times 7 equals 560 millilitres. So there we have it. Even though it serves 6 in total, don't get confused by that. It's just asking us what it would be to serve 7. What would it be to serve 10? What would it be with all we're going to be doing is multiplying this out. So it could, it's endless really. But that's all it is. You're just multiplying it out. I hope you found this useful. Yeah, that'll be my last one on these kinds of questions, because when you know the steps, it's fine. You're going to be absolutely fine. Don't panic. Just watch part 1, part 2, then this part 3 in order. Okay? Thank you. Bye.